Are you tired too, buddy?
Hey, Danny.
Yes, Luna.
Remember you have your Trade Coffee subscription and a new coffee just arrived.
Oh, that's good timing. I need my post-lunch espresso.
You make coffee at home? Well, it only takes 1 minute to turn your morning brew from meh to whoa, thanks to our friends at Trade. Because let's face it, the secret to amazing coffee isn't just adding a splash of hope. It's starting with the good stuff. Perfectly matched to your taste and roasted to order. Trade delivers coffee so fresh, it practically whispers sweet nothings while you sip.
Are you being funny now?
I am funny like you are Italian.
Wait, what? But I'm Italian.
You really need to upgrade your coffee making skills for that.
What?
Thanks to Trade, you can improve your coffee experience instantly and go from brewing disaster to coffee hero in no time.
Damn, this is good stuff.
That's drinktrade.com/milezero to get your first bag free with any new subscription.